If you're making Instagram Reels or YouTube videos and you want to make captions that look like this or like this and not boring ones like this, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make attention-grabbing captions in a couple of clicks. So I've got my Instagram video open up in Premiere Pro. I'm going to open up FireCut and head to Captions. From here, I'm just going to hit transcribe. FireCut listens to the audio and generates the transcript automatically. Once that's done, I quickly read through it and correct anything I want before creating the captions. Now let's make them dynamic. And this is where we can actually get creative. FireCut has a bunch of caption presets already built in, so I can click through these and preview different styles. So you've got different fonts, colors, positioning, and animations. Rather than building this manually, I can basically find a starting point I like and customize it from here. So I'm gonna go with something clean and bold for Instagram. I really like box follow. Now we customize. I can click here, change my font, change a color. I also like to add a little glow on my captions to really make them pop. Once I've created something that matches my brand or my tone, I can save it as a preset. So next time I'm editing an Instagram reel, I don't have to recreate this whole look. I can just use the same caption style again. And once I'm happy with everything, I'm gonna hit add style captions to sequence. Literally in a matter of seconds, dynamic captions are added to the video. And because FireCut has already handled the transcription, timing, and animation, I haven't had to go through and animate every word. This honestly is one of the biggest time savers in my editing process. So that's how I add dynamic captions to my Instagram Reels. You can obviously also use this for YouTube. Once you've saved your caption preset, the whole process is even faster. If you want to try it yourself, there is a free trial in the description link below. Happy editing!